This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, level 20 plus and the main quest active. Once done, open your map and place a waypoint on the weapon's cache. This saves time when you fast travel. Make sure you have 3,000 credits, 12/12 ammo, and 1 crafting rare part before leaving. You move now, don't waste inventory slots. Collectibles and vendor stock rotate, so buy the rare part early and secure your fast travel route to the cache. You clear the cache area methodically. Prioritize the 3 elite guards and the turret to stop incoming heavy fire. Once the zone is safe, search crates and enemy drops until you have 5 blueprint fragments. They're easy to miss in low light. Make sure to return to the on-site workbench. Combine the 5 fragments with your rare part and spend 500 credits to unlock the Thunderbolt shotgun blueprint. This crafting step binds the blueprint to your account, so you craft the Thunderbolt at any major workbench using 2 weapon cores, 800 credits, and the blueprint. Press craft and wait for the animation to finish. Once crafted, test fire at a safe range to confirm spread pattern, charge time, and the shotgun's special effect. Adjust mods if recoil or spread isn't right. If crafting fails due to a missing weapon core, farm the supply drop boss or check the vendor's rotating stock. Those 2 methods reliably supply the core you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.